So in this video, we're going to talk about exponents. So you might have an expression like 5 to the power of 3. And this would be called exponential notation. Now, calculators will do this, scientific calculators. It would be 5, and then there's going to be either, sometimes they'll have a button like this, a button like this. That means 5 to the third power. Or sometimes they'll have y to the x as a button. Okay, and we'll talk about how to do it by hand, but sometimes you'll want to use a calculator, and that's, you have to find how your calculator does exponents, okay? We would also say this is 5 cubed because it's an exponent of 3. You could have 7 squared. Squared means an exponent of 2. Other than that, like if you have 1 to the 4th power, we just say 1 to the 4th power, okay? All right. This number, the big number, is called the base. And then the little number, it's usually littler, that's either the exponent or the power. So we'll say to the power of 3 or the exponent of 3. And what that means is it means 5 times 5 times 5. In this case, 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. Okay? So if I wanted to evaluate the expression, 5 to the third power is 125. Now, 7 squared, that means 7 times 7. And 7 times 7 is 49. So sometimes we want to evaluate something that's in exponential notation. Now, 1 to the 4th, that would mean 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, but that just equals 1. And so 1 to the 4th power is just 1. Okay. And that's a little bit about exponents.